filming two books in one day. Jalil is sleeping. I went in the room and he was twitching, so I'm afraid to speak loudly for this intro. So this look just came to me on a whim. I'm experimenting with different brow techniques to keep my brows in place. I don't like this one, so yeah, but I recorded it. I use lash glue. Do not recommend lash glue. Highly recommend either gel, like the hair gel, or like got to be glue, and the got to be glue spray works well too, but it's just a little bit messy, you know. So yeah, that's all. And then I did I'm afraid to talk because Charlie is sleeping. Anyway, enjoy the video.
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Hit me when it's happy hour, all day. Me and my bees go sour, looking good in PJs, that's my superpower. Growing out all my hair, working on my self-care. This time we got rare, I'ma do it up with flair. Cause what a time to be alive. We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite. But when this thing is over, we gon' get in life. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then.
Until we back in action, I'm posted like I'm in traffic. It's tragic the way they trick them terrifically, working magic. Finally ain't no traffic, a break from chemical plastics. Burning buds to the ashes, we virtually getting blasted. Bow.
Cause what a time to be alive.
My digger.
We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite.
Okay.
But when this thing is over, we gon' get in life. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Then it's on site, then it's offline, reuniting my Persians. Cryptocurrency learning, plus I've been working. Open the curtain, show goes on, even if we did rehearse it. We ain't reversing, this is a sermon, take them to Sunday service. With these chicken tenders, Dive, Josh and Rob, Flute, and the third, you heard? Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me in. Yeah. Go and play that. Take you down, I'ma say that. Mine need me $2. Telling you now this payback. So I take that. Ask them now what stage at. I've been going to the top and I got what they not, so I know that they hate that. But I'm on now. All these lanes gonna zone out, and all these lanes gonna take what I did and they twist and they burst till I fall out. But I know that, so I keep what I'm doing cause I own that. And I stay in the lab and I kill everything, but I don't ever move, I'm a Kodak. So I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there, that tone. Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Cause I'm back in my zone now. Zone now.
Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me in.
Please don't let me into my zone. I just need some time of my own. All these people trying to get a conversation, you can conversate to that tone. My God up on that throne, yeah. So I'm never alone, yeah. All these people trying to boss me in, I'm Mayweather, it's on, yeah. Now they ask where I'm at, making hits that line back. I'm MJ, I'm 2-3, man. I just need some time back. I'm zoned in like these
defense. My life gone, no recess, but I live my best one, so I got no regrets. So I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there at that tone. Ballin' can't beat me up, cause I'm back in my zone now. Cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
Ballin' can't beat me up, cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone.
Please don't let me into my zone.
Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone.
Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. I've been this real since a boom. I'll take the man to the tomb. Yeah. Now they all ask what I'm doing. Well, you see it soon. Say that they know what to do. Say I should listen to you. Yeah. Y'all don't know what I've been doing. Trust me, you don't got a clue. Take the top to my front door. Only fiends coming through the bag. Got my problems, I don't want more. Leave the past up in the past. The way I'm moving need a hard pass. All class with a book bag. In the night with that all black. Hang it up to no call back. Yeah, I got time and it's all on my mind, so I tell them I'ma let it out. Yeah, and I got guap, but you know I can't stop, so I tell them I'ma dead it now. Yeah, I got green and I gotta switch cheese, but I'm looking for the cheddar now. That shit was all bad, now I'm coming to get last, and this year's looking better now. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them that. 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 Yeah. Tell them that. 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 Ay. How long was I gone for? Pop more than some popcorn. Gotta drive, can't stop for. All the talk, there's no time for it. Blowing up like Lampore. Crowd wanting that encore. Tom Ford is what I wore, and I made it there what I bought it for. Now the speaker so fluent. I'm at the block like I'm Ewan. Yeah, they wanna keep me so stagnant. I make a hit, keep it moving. Up in the morning, I'm brewing. They going nowhere, I knew it. They tryna keep me from making it. I swear they looking so Judas. Feel like Messi with the goals. Will I make it? I don't know. Time is running out the back door. Pray to God to open doors. Couple bands for the shows. Ay, making money off the flows. Yeah, I just had to go show y'all. Gotta keep them on their toes. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them that. 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 Yeah. Tell them that. 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 Hey, it's 2018. Yeah, come on, tell them that. Man, everything 2017, I don't wanna hear about it no more. Okay, yeah, cause big things are brewing. I mean, big things popping in the city, you know. Yeah, that's all you need to know. Go and tell them that.
I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
me thinking it's 10 of me. Don't want me as your enemy, I bury your name. Was buddy in these streets, now you forgot about the game. You got egg on your face like you ate a souffle. Now I'ma knock your top off like it's Trump's toupee. Now slow down, your rhymes are ass chomp. I know you gassed up, but I bet your finger wouldn't touch the trigger on a gas pump. Mask up, came down, mic is sick, throw your hood. I fucking carry game like I'm Underwood, it's understood. Laid back with your girl, we on that days of play. One hitter, now you're on fire like I'm Johnny Blaze. Yeah, I'm Ghost Rider with a pin and stare. I'm one step ahead, I'm dancing on them like I'm Fred Astaire. Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Count it, hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm a bad man.
I got in mindset, throwing the concert just to see all of your faces. Dropping your jaws and throwing your arms and falling convulsing and shaking. Fuck if you die, the king is around. Here with the purpose to surface these rappers that's rapping this rap shit. I murder a cat on the track and then hand him his purse. Return to the rapper, hit a rap shit up on these plastic ass cats. Don't even write raps, just ass. Spit it on a track, hold up another platinum plaque. Wearing a mask, fuck that. You wanna act and act, get on the screen, do your thing, let it fail. You die off, I am the king, fuck everybody else. I'm on that be that. Return to the writer, scribble out the shit till the page gets fire. Call me a liar, spark it in the dark and let it burn. And you can call me inspired, heart of a lion. In the sense that my heart will jump out of my chest, eat you alive, beat you to death, tear it all apart, feast on the flesh and do it all without even trying. This is a statement, I have been patient. This is a track for the ages. Solo and Dre went in and created something that's hot for the placements. God damn it, you can't ignore all the gasoline spread around the floor. And I got a match here, I'm about to let it go, watch it blow. Are you ready for more?
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm a bad man.
In my mind, there's only one way this goes. It's only one option. I gotta win. Yeah. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma lead with gold. Ooh, you can tell we ain't the same. They came just for trophies, I got impact on my brain. You know this goes so much deeper, but I'm not the one to blame. I'm the type to keep on pushing, all my losses turn to gains. Hold up, legacy over accolades, no price on my mindset. Came in as a prospect, I'ma lead with the whole contest. Seen this in my head, got me feeling like a prophet. I outwork all my peers, that's trust in my process. Hold up. Hey, welcome my winners, I'm being a host. I'm hard and hustle from head to my toes. When it comes to work, watch them turning to ghosts. Yeah, they like to come up and run from the struggle. We hit the floor and they blow with the trumpet. I'm packing the punch like it's part of my luggage. You don't want no problems, don't tell me what I can't do. Better yet, just go ahead, I hit every time I aim to. I'm always on new levels, it's my time, I ain't through. It's hard work and late nights to be that one. Ooh. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma lead with gold. Ayy, I'm my only competition. Seeing my reflection, looking through my opposition. Crucify my weakness, force myself into submission. Put my back against the wall and we gon' see who gets to flinching. And
I don't believe in limits. What else I gotta tell you? It's uncommon repetition. And I know it ain't fair. Saw the end before beginning. Had this game already finished. For the clock hit single digits, yeah. I'ma leave with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I leave with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I leave with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I leave with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma leave with go. Look, I've been up since like 3 a.m. I don't hear the hate, what y'all say ain't in. All I know is go, all I know is grind. I'm on your head, all I know is climb. Just know I'm different. If I see the target, just know I'm gon' hit it. I don't know the fake, just know I live it. Anything I say, just know I'm in it. I know the ops and they lightweight. I'm in the zone and I might stay. Yeah, I'm on in the right way. Check the scoreboard, look why I play. They say sky the limit, that's too low for us. We showing up in the nosebleeds of the galaxy. When you think of great, look, it's actually me. Yeah, it's actually me. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us.
Shut up and don't tell me how to do things. I'm not saying that I'm special, I'm just unique. I am marching to my own beat. Mine's my playground, but it's really not amusing. Come out back and play, I'll show you where I keep my mood swings. Rhymes are random, I know it's confusing. That's just me, it's how I do things. Thoughts are getting darker, terrible like loose leaves. Please don't take advantage, please don't use me. Or your jaw gon' hang like curtains loosely. I'm obsessive, I know things consume me. Overanalyze until my face turns blue. See what you say, what did it mean? Can you repeat it? Hey, hey, please excuse me. Sounded like you doubt my skills, but that's just not computing. It just occurred to me, you never heard of me. That doesn't work for me, mind is disturbing. Now give me a heartbeat, bringing the rappers in here, gonna murder scene. Rhyming so recklessly, don't try to step to me. I'm rapping clean, but I've heard it, your self-esteem easy to turn on me. That's what I wanna be, dreamers in front of me. Called up the game and I wonder if I'm coming live. I'm coming for the crown. Here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me, I'm coming for the crown. Have fun with my lyrics, call it wordplay. Thoughts stuck in the past, wish they were present like my birthday. Talk about my family, dog, you better watch what you say. What is it that you're not comprehending? Are you insane? Potato, potato, tomato, tomato. I rhyme with a purpose, your lyrics are hollow. Cause I'll be a leader, all you do is follow. I'm so far ahead of you, it is tomorrow. Here's something for ya, I'm the rhyme destroyer. Don't put out your hand cause I got nothing for ya. MCs and me spitting and get paranoia. I'm quick with the punches, call me De La Hoya. Quit being petty, I know it annoy you. Don't stop being mad cause I got it before ya. I work now, I'm boss with it like an employer. Don't test me, I'm killing these bars like a lawyer. I've been preparing, you rappers don't scare me. Don't do it for fame, no, my kindness or rarity. Music is therapy, burdens I'm carrying. Emotion is raw, got no problem sharing. Y'all rapping for likes and you quit and get clarity. Your record's embarrassing, you don't compare to me. Better be aware that you better be wearing me. Gift is a curse that I'm not even swearing. I'm coming for the crown. Here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me, I'm coming for the crown. My name gon' be harder than a summer on the blacktop. Just give me a track and I'ma beat it like a bad cop. I ain't taking orders, man, so don't come drop through my spot. See that peak, well, I'ma reach it, like it or not. I admit in some of my songs, I was flexing. That don't make me fake, it just means that I'm impressive. Look so unassuming, guess I'm not what you expected. Did you forget me? Let me jog your recollection. Mine's obsessive, flows aggressive, switch direction. Keep you guessing who's up next in my ring. Stepping names, I'm checking off my checklist. lessons. Rhyme perfecting my objectives, I'm collecting. Guess who checked in? You guessed it. If you didn't guess, it's me. I'm coming for the crown. I'm here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me, I'm coming for the crown.
We some bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop, stop, stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds and the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. We bad though, that cash flow. We come up, we pass go. We get cash, then spend cash. Don't like that, kiss my ass. We been stunned, you been front. You want this, you get none. You want this, then earn it. Ain't fucking unless I get some. I'm bad though, no bad hoe. Just a bad bitch with a bad flow. And a green on green on green state of mind. And I'm done dealing with these. So y'all, all of y'all. If y'all don't like me, eat me. I've been running game and I do it all the same until y'all all stop speaking. We some bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop, stop, stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds and the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. We too bad, y'all been mad. I bought my homemade handbag. I bought up my man has. And you broke hoes can't stand that. I'm burning green, it's spinning green. I'm buying all the nicer things. I want a car, I buy a car. I'll burn the car, f*** you think. It's my money, no man for me. I'll pay for the shit I've been wanting. No rock on me, no stop on me. If I feel cold, I'll burn money. I own this and got this. Look, this dress has pockets. So deep I can keep my rose closed. So I know what you are wanting. We some bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop, stop, stop. Bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop, stop, stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back stay up.